Well, today's video has nothing to do with our farm and nothing to do with me. I'm just doing the intro. Today's video has to do with fixing our chipper, starring Lauren. She'll be doing everything. This is fixing our Craftsman chipper. For all those ladies out there, woman power.
So we're changing out the air filter in here, putting an entirely new carburetor in, and changing out the spark plug.
All by yourself?
All by myself.
No help from me?
No, but some help from other YouTube videos.
YouTube videos, all woman power. So if you want to learn how to change out a carburetor and what else? A filter?
Yep, and a spark plug.
And a spark plug on a Craftsman wood chipper, this video is for you. And this is a Briggs & Stratton engine.
Using a ratchet or adapter for your drill, you can remove the air filter cover, revealing the nasty air filter and also the screen. Remove the choke switch by pulling directly up, and also set aside the air filter housing on the tire, making sure the tube to the left does not come disconnected. You want to make sure to empty out any old gas that may be sitting in the tank by loosening the clamps and also loosening the tubing. Grab you a can or a jar and just let it drain in there. Now you're able to remove the existing carburetor. Just be mindful of the tiny spring that's attached at the top. It will not recoil back in the engine. You just don't want it to break on you. When attaching the new carburetor, you want to make sure you line up the two springs and also the chunky rubber gasket that goes between the carburetor and the engine. We're almost done. There is a small thin gasket that goes between the carburetor and the cover itself. You just want to make sure you line up the holes correctly for the screws. With the new carburetor cover in place, we're now ready for the air filters. First, insert the debris screen, followed by the new air filter. The plastic casing attaches to the carburetor cover with the two bolts. Once in place, you can insert the choke handle by simply lining up the gears in the back and pressing down. My grandpa graciously handed down this wood chipper to our family. We were able to purchase the entire kit for the tune-up for only $25 on Amazon. Not too bad. It's now ready for my handsome, strong husband to test it out.
Well, there you have it. Wood chipper's all fixed. How'd it go?
Pretty good.
Good. So we tested it out. We used it to start cleaning up some of the wood debris from down there, and we put the wood chips down there with the pigs. And it's working great. Well, there you go. Thank you guys for joining us today. I hope it was educational for you.
And encouraging that you can fix your own small engines and save you some money.
All right, thank you guys for joining us. We'll see you on the next video. That's right. You tell them.